As a founder of a digital marketing agency and also a practitioner, one of the biggest questions I hear is, how do I create a winning strategy when it comes to digital marketing? There is no magic formula. There's no exact way of doing it. And a lot of social media practitioners and gurus tell you, hey, for Instagram, post 5 times or this and that. At the end of the day, it comes down to what you're able to do and how you're able to do it well. It's being able to understand your personal organization and your abilities. When it comes to digital marketing, we're in the game of winning attention. You have to know your audience very well. So even before you start digital marketing, what I recommend is know your why. Why are you doing it? What are your challenges as a company in order to do digital marketing? Do you have someone dedicated to your Instagram or your Facebook? Do you even need to be on all those social channels? Is that where your target audience is? Know your audience. Who are you speaking to? We're no longer selling. Our game is to win attention so that people can make educated decisions on choosing to utilize your service or purchase your products. So the key with social media to create a winning strategy is if you can speak to the hearts of your target audience and be able to move them in order to either purchase a product, do a service, or build relationships. And if you can do that, you're going to win, because at the end of the day, social media and digital marketing success is measured by relationships.